Hey guys, my name is Bhavesh and welcome to Built on Shopify. In this video, I'll be showing how you can add collections to your Shopify store. Collections make it easier for your customers to find similar items in one place, and it makes the user experience smooth and it might help in increasing the conversions. So without wasting any further time, let me show you how you can create a collection. First, we'll click on products, collections, and create collection. So here you can add in the title. Let me add in a simple title of t-shirts. You can also give it a description, but it is not completely necessary. You can either make this collection manual or smart. So in the manual collection, you'll have to manually select each and every product that you need to enter into this particular collection. Whereas you can set conditions in the smart collection like tags, title, type, category, vendor, and so much more. So for now, let me show you how you can create a manual collection. Once you have selected manual, you can browse the different products that are available on your store. Let me quickly select a few to just give you a demonstration. I've selected 5 products to add in this particular collection. Now finally, we can edit a search engine listing by clicking on the edit button here. And just like products, you have 3 options, which is the title, description, and the URL. You can use relevant keywords that will help you in SEO and add a relevant meta description. And for the URL, I would suggest you to keep it as it is. And this is how easy it is to create a collection. Now let me show you how you can add these collections to your homepage. So for that, we'll click on online store. And in the theme section, we'll click on customize. Once you are here, you can simply scroll down, and wherever you want to add a section, you'll click on the add section button and select the collection list. Now you can select each collection and select what kind of collection you want to offer. Let me just select t-shirts as I've just created it and click on save. Now let me quickly do this for other products as well. Now you can also customize the look and feel of it by clicking the collections option, and here you have different options which you can customize. So you can either change the name, you can increase the size or decrease it, you can even change the image ratio, display how many categories you want to show, or change the color scheme. If you want to display more collections, you can simply turn this toggle on. You can even customize it for mobile, but I'll not do it for this particular video. You'll click on save, and we have added the collection to the home page. Now if you want to add a featured collection, let me show you how you can do that. Let's scroll down and click on the add section button again. And from here, let's select featured collection. Here you can select which collection you want to feature. Let's say I want to feature the cute nursery animals. And here it has already given me all the products from this given collection. And again, you can make all the necessary changes, but I'm going to leave it as it is. And with that, I'll click on the save button again. And here we have not just added the collection on the home page, but we have also added a featured collection. Now I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more such videos. And before going, if you haven't already signed up for Shopify again, check out the link in description, as it is the best deal that you will currently get.